In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll be able to upload a reel from your computer and send it straight to Instagram without accidentally posting it to the wrong place. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by searching for it or by using the shortcut inside your Facebook page. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the Instagram profile you want to post to. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your pages and accounts. On this dashboard, look for the option to create content. Among the options, you should see one labeled Create Reel. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Reels Composer, which is the area where you set up everything about your reel before it goes live. At the top of the Composer, you'll see a drop-down that shows where the reel will be posted. It might say something like Post to, followed by your connected Facebook page and Instagram account. Click on that drop-down so you can control exactly which platforms this reel goes to. Now, because we only want this reel on Instagram, you'll need to uncheck the Facebook option. Click on your Facebook page name to turn it off and make sure only your Instagram account is selected. This is important because if both are checked, the reel will go out to both platforms at the same time. Next, it's time to add your actual video. Look for the button that says Add Video and click it. A file picker will pop up, letting you browse your computer. Select the reel video you've already created and wait for it to upload. Depending on the file size and your connection, this might take a moment. Once the video has uploaded, you'll see a text field where you can add your caption. Click into that field and write your caption, including any hashtags or mentions you want. This is a good place to add context, a call to action, or anything your audience needs to know. When you're happy with your video and caption, click on Next. This takes you to the final stage, where you can review and make any last edits or settings adjustments, such as checking the preview and confirming everything looks right. Finally, when you're ready, click Share. Because you previously selected only Instagram, your reel will be posted exclusively to your Instagram account. That's how you make and publish Instagram Reels